Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit the red subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. It would really help me out, you guys. On today's video, I will be doing some light house cleaning, but first I will get my diffuser out and add some essential oils. So my two favorite all-time fragrances together are lemon and lavender. They just paired together, they smell so good. Okay, so no extreme cleaning today, you guys. I just needed to get some dishes put in the dishwasher. I need to clean my sink out. My countertops need to be polished, as well as my refrigerator. And then I was going to clean a few of my glass doors. And I will be doing some vacuuming and testing my brand new Shark cordless vacuum cleaner, which I'm super excited to test, and I will no longer have to fight a cord. And I will be ending the video off watering my flowers. So I don't know if you guys have noticed yet or not, but I've been using an all-purpose cleaner called Method. It's non-toxic, it's plant-based. It comes in multiple different fragrances. I'm using the pink grapefruit, which smells awesome. I use it on all of my granite, my stainless steel, all my glass, and even on my wood, and it leaves everything sparkling clean. Smells so good. And if you guys are interested, you can find it on my website at fairandorganized.com. You can get a pack of 3 for $14, and I will leave my website link down below. So I am 100% pleased with my new Shark vacuum. You guys, it is so light and it's so quiet. It comes with an ion boost button for a more powerful suction. I no longer have to fight the cord being in my path. I don't have to unplug it just to replug it anymore. And I don't have to worry about my little munchkin chewing on it like he did the other day, and I about had a heart attack. I'm so glad I don't have to worry about that anymore. And if you guys are interested, I got it at Walmart.
Calling you over, calling you to my life. Roughing our way, we're around the world together. So often away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line. If you believe in love, give me a feeling. If you believe in me, hold me and let me in. If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I've got a feeling you're gonna reach me too. Roughing away, we're around the world together. So often away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line. flag. Fire, oh fire, send out a flare to find. Give me a reason. I'm gonna send a sign, calling you over, calling you to my life. We're off and away, we'll run the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never, we're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line. If you believe in love, give me a feeling. If you believe in me, hold me and let me in. If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I got a feeling you're gonna reach me too. We're off and away, we'll run the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never, we're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line, behind the line. We're off and away, we'll run the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never, we're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line, behind the line. We can run the world, we can run the world. Well, let us run, well, let us run.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section if you did. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. Please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notify bell so you know when my videos get uploaded, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.